What's up guys, today for the Bitcoin price, I'm right now in a water slide, but I just take a look at the charts and it's absolutely insane what is happening right now.
Because as you guys know, I'm still in around $2 million worth of Bitcoin long positions, and I also just opened a new short trade. I will tell you exactly why I did that and what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price now within the next couple of hours, days and weeks. As you guys can already see, I'm not continuing this video from the water slide. I just was with Chris from Crypto, Food Ranger, and a lot of people actually at the Atlantis in Dubai in a water park, and I thought, why not use this opportunity to make a crazy introduction in a water slide. But now let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the charts. As always guys, if you enjoy the content, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video. We normally reach 1,000 likes on every single video of mine, and also make sure to leave a comment down below with your opinion to this video and subscribe and activate the bell guys. Thank you very much, you're one of the most amazing communities out there. And now let's take a look and find out what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price next. And actually guys, it's very, very simple. I'm still keeping one single price level in mind or inside for the smaller time frames, and it is actually our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, because as you guys know, we use the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level and the potential dead cat bounce that is coming with it if the Bitcoin price is getting rejected from it. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin right now is struggling since over 12 hours, almost since a complete day. Bitcoin is now already struggling to break through the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And as you guys know, I opened a short trade up here. I mentioned it live in a video. I opened it at around $47,300. You also saw it in my yesterday's video. And maybe you can remember that I told you guys that I will close that trade as soon as a daily candle closes outside of our very, very important 45,000 horizontal support and resistance range. And this happened exactly here. So I closed my short trade. I didn't really took a lot of profits with it. I mean, down here, the trade was in a combined profit of like $80,000. At the end of the day, I only took like $10,000 in profit out of this trade, since the Bitcoin price pumped relatively rapidly after retesting the $44,000 to $45,000 level. But now what we are seeing is that Bitcoin is really struggling to break through our Fibonacci retracement level for this current price momentum. And as long as this is not the case, I think there is no reason to turn overly bullish yet. I think we still should be careful, since we also now within the last few hours saw two massive wicks on the 4-hourly candles above this very important resistance, which definitely shows that the bulls are trying to break above it, but the bears really use every single chance to actually sell and open short positions as soon as we get above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So as long as we're not breaking that to the upside, I won't scale up my long positions. And what I just showed you and what I just told you, I even actually just opened a new short trade, right? I just opened that. As you guys can see, it's an 8 Bitcoin short position. It has a very, very high leverage. As you guys can see, I'm using here a 40x leverage, which is absolutely insane. I normally don't do this, but as you guys know, I'm pretty much only using here for this short position right now $10,000 in margin. This is exactly the profit I took out of the old short trade. But after seeing now that we are getting rejected from the 0.618 again, I wanted to still open a short position and still have a short position open, just for the case that Bitcoin doesn't manage to break here above. And I mean, as soon as the 0.5 breaks to the downside, that would actually be the first confirmation that this is actually going to be a dead cat bounce. So we need to hold above the $46,200 level, guys. If we break a 4-hourly, if we close a 4-hourly candle below the $46,200 level, I will make sure to scale up my long positions, to scale up my short positions once again. And my long positions, I will actually take some profits as soon as we break the $46,200 level to the downside. Looking now also at the bigger time frames, again, going back here to the daily, I mean, not much has changed besides that from my last video, right? We can delete these lines, they're not really relevant. As you guys can see, also on the daily time frame, we are clearly right now getting rejected from the 0.618, and the potential M pattern could also be formed here for Bitcoin. So guys, keep that in mind, be careful, keep these prices on the lower time frames in mind, and also keep in mind that Bitcoin is still potentially forming here a massive rising wedge, which for sure would be a very, very, very bearish continuation pattern that would for sure predict prices around the mid $20,000 range. So let's be careful. Let's not jump into too high scaled long positions yet. Let's wait for confirmation with a break above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, exactly at the $46,700 level on the 4-hourly time frame. And as soon as that happens, I will, like I said, close my short position again with a little bit of a loss. I'm only risking profits that we took out of our other short position. Right, and besides that, guys, the long positions, if we break to the upside, will anyways make a very good profit, and that's why I will make sure to scale them up as soon as this dead cat bounce is here pretty much invalidated, or this potential dead cat bounce is here actually invalidated on the smaller, but especially also then on the bigger time frames. But that's already it for the Bitcoin price right now. I know it's not that exciting like usually. Most of the time we have like all these crazy price predictions, and we have chart patterns on the bigger time frames. But actually right now there's the only thing to keep an eye on, because we already discussed everything on the weekly, on the daily. You know my opinion on these time frames. So now it's only important that we're taking a look, especially at the 4-hourly, the 1-hourly, to find out if on the smaller time frames a dead cat bounce is going to occur, because this dead cat bounce then increases the potential for more downside also on the bigger time frames dramatically. And that's why for now, the next 24 hours till I upload my next video, I will only keep an eye on the smaller time frames. But that's already it for now, guys. If you enjoyed the video, smash up a like. Let's reach 1,000 thumbs up here on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and leave a comment down below. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.